Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be cooking chicken fajitas. We're going to start here with our ingredients. Here we have 2 chicken breasts cut into strips. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, cumin, oregano, black pepper, and smoked paprika. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have cilantro cut up here. We're going to use it as a garnish later on. We have 1 red bell pepper, 1 orange bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 small onion cut up, as well as a little lemon there. We're going to be using some flour tortillas and some organic olive oil. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set this marinade up, and we're going to do this about an hour or 2 before we start cooking, and we're going to put this in the fridge just so we let the flavor set in. You could also have the option of leaving this in the fridge overnight. We're going to start with a tablespoon of olive oil. So, I'm just going to make sure that goes all around. Now we're going to mix all of these ingredients together here. I'm going to use this fork. It's a little too big, but don't worry about that. I'm just going to get a nice powder going. Good mixture. Don't want to leave anything out. And we're going to pour this into the bowl below us. Alright, now you're going to mix this chicken up. You want to make sure you get everything covered. Alright, we have everything mixed together here, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the fridge for about an hour or 2. Again, like I said, you have the option to leave this in the fridge overnight. Alright, we've had this pan on the stove on a medium-high heat for about 2 minutes now. It's hot, ready to go. What we're going to do is get our chicken and lay it on there. I want to make sure the strips are laid out. We're going to be cooking this chicken for about 3 to 6 minutes. I'm not adding any oil because of the marinade that we already prepared. It's been sitting in oil for about an hour at this point. We just took it out the fridge. And I'm going to cook this chicken until it changes color for, like I said, for about 3 to 6 minutes. Alright, be sure to check every now and then to see if your chicken is cooking up. You see how this one's changing color. So I'm going to flip it over and make sure that the other side cooks as well. And I'm going to do that with the rest of these pieces here. Alright, as you can see, our chicken is looking just about ready to add the vegetables. It's changing color, not sure if you can see that too much. But I'm going to push it to the side. We're going to toss these vegetables in. And the reason why I'm throwing them in now is because I want them to grab some of the flavor from the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up here. Alright, now I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon in there. This is up to you. If you want it a little bit more sour than usual, go ahead, go for it. I have half here, and I'm not going to squeeze all of it in there. It's up to preference. Just be sure to mix it up after that. You don't want your chicken to burn here. Don't be afraid to taste the chicken once it's safe to do so. See what flavor you got out of it. I want to add a little bit more salt. Again, a lot of these ingredients are up to preference. I just want to add a tad more, mix it around, and I'll taste it again in a few. That's completely up to you. Alright, as you can see, the vegetables are done. Everything's good to go here. They look a bit softer. Even if I touch it, you'll be able to tell that. We're good to go. We're going to go ahead and serve this. Alright, so this is how our dish came out. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on top there. And you can plate it with on top of some tortillas with a little bit of pico, cheese, maybe some avocados. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and come back for more. We really appreciate you guys coming by. Thank you.